Bill Goudy checking in. Let's make some stuffed mushrooms. I'm going to use some cream cheese, some onion, some garlic, some regular cheese, the mushroom stems. I'll put them all in the food processor, grind it all up, and stuff those mushrooms. And then I'm going to put those mushrooms in the refrigerator for about an hour while the fire gets ready, and while I make up some of the other things that I'm going to have. Check it out. I made tacos the other night, and I had some leftover taco meat. So what the heck? Let's toss it in. Make that filling even, the stuffing part of the filling even better. I'm going to have a little shrimp cocktail. So let's make some of our own homemade cocktail sauce. You got it, with a little bit of Texas Pete. I like to make this about an hour ahead, at least an hour ahead. It can stay in the refrigerator overnight if you want to make it the day before, but it allows all the flavors to marry together. And oh, is it so good. There you have it. Let's make some sautéed veggies and mushrooms. I like to smother my ribeyes in lieu of a salad. I call it maybe a hot salad. Yeah, so good. You know what time it is. It's time to have a vessel of amber fluid. Kick back, let all those flavors marry together, get the fire ready to go. Now the fire's ready, the coals are good. I like to set the mushrooms on first, just to get the smokiness, and let them cook. At least 30 minutes. I turn the basket with the mushrooms in it so that all sides get cooked, and I try to cook it slow. Once the mushrooms are about 3/4 done, I like to throw the steaks on. I like my steak medium rare, a little pink in the middle. Hot and pink in the middle is how I like it. You're going to hear me say it. Look at the goodness. Wow. That is so good. I want to thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out for now.